Good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
How can I help you today?
I am not feeling well.
What's the problem?
I have a stomachache.
When did it start?
Yesterday evening.
Is the pain sharp or dull?
It's a dull pain.
Is it constant or does it come and go?
It comes and goes.
Where exactly is the pain?
In the middle of my stomach.
Did you eat anything unusual?
I ate fast food.
Do you feel nauseous?
Yes, a little.
Have you vomited?
No, not yet.
Do you have a fever?
I think so.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
You have a mild fever.
Oh, I see.
Are you feeling tired?
Yes, very tired.
Do you have any other symptoms?
I also have a headache.
How bad is the headache?
It's not very bad, but it's there.
Do you sleep well at night?
No, I have trouble sleeping.
Why can't you sleep?
I keep thinking too much.
Do you feel stressed?
Yes, from work.
What do you do for work?
I work in an office.
Do you drink enough water?
I don't think so.
Do you eat regularly?
Not really. I skip meals.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Yes, I drink 3 cups of coffee every day.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Do you drink alcohol?
Sometimes on weekends.
Do you take any medicine?
Only for headaches.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Do you have any chronic illness?
No, I am usually healthy.
Have you had this problem before?
No, this is the first time.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Is anyone else sick at home?
No, they're all fine.
Do you exercise?
Not much.
Do you feel better in the morning or evening?
I feel worse in the evening.
Do you feel dizzy?
Sometimes, yes.
Have you lost weight recently?
No, I haven't.
How's your appetite?
I don't feel like eating.
How many hours do you sleep?
Around 5 hours.
Do you wake up often at night?
Yes, I wake up 2-3 times.
What time do you go to bed?
Around midnight.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Yes, I do.
Do you feel anxious?
Yes, a little.
Any chest pain?
No, no chest pain.
Any trouble breathing?
No, I can breathe normally.
Any problems with urination?
No, everything is normal.
Any changes in your stool?
It's a bit loose.
How many times did you go to the toilet today?
2 times.
Do you feel cold or hot?
I feel cold.
Are you taking any vitamins?
No, I'm not.
Do you have pain when you move?
No, only when I eat.
Have you traveled recently?
No, I haven't.
Do you need a note for work?
Yes, I do.
Do you want to take a test?
Yes, if needed.
I will check your blood pressure.
Okay.
It's a little low.
Is that serious?
No, it's not dangerous.
That's good to know.
I will give you some medicine.
Thank you.
Take it after meals.
Okay.
Don't eat spicy food.
I understand.
Drink more water.
I will.
Rest for 2 days.
I will do that.
You can go back to work after that.
Thank you, doctor.
Would you like to ask me anything?
Yes. Can I go to work tomorrow?
It's better to rest one more day.
Can I take the medicine on an empty stomach?
No, take it after eating.
Can I eat fruits?
Yes, fruits are okay.
Can I drink coffee?
Try to avoid it for a few days.
Can I go for a walk?
Yes, a short walk is fine.
Will I feel better soon?
Yes, in 2 or 3 days.
Do I need to come back?
Only if you don't feel better.
Can I take this with my other medicine?
Yes, they are safe together.
Can you give me a sick note?
Yes, I'll write it now.
How many days off do I need?
2 days should be enough.
Can I call if I have more symptoms?
Of course, you can call us anytime.
Can I eat rice and soup?
Yes, those are good for your stomach.
Is it a virus or infection?
It seems like a mild infection.
Do I need antibiotics?
No, not right now.
When should I take the medicine?
Morning and evening.
Before or after food?
After food.
What should I do if the pain gets worse?
Come back immediately.
Can I go to the pharmacy now?
Yes. Your prescription is ready.
Can I go outside today?
Try to stay indoors and rest.
Should I sleep more?
Yes. Sleep will help you recover.
Can I take a hot shower?
Yes, but not too hot.
Is it okay to lie down after eating?
Wait at least 30 minutes.
Can I drink juice?
Yes, natural juice is fine.
What if I feel worse at night?
Go to the emergency room or call us.
Can I drive?
Better to avoid driving today.
Can I go to the gym tomorrow?
Wait until you feel better.
When will the medicine start working?
You should feel better in a day.
Can I eat yogurt?
Yes, plain yogurt is fine.
Is this contagious?
No, it's not.
Will I need a follow-up?
Let's check again next week.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.